Welcome to our series of videos produced by Action Manufacturing to keep you on track with your Action Trackchair. In this go-around, Don from Action Manufacturing will demonstrate just how easy it is to swap out batteries on your STSx Trackchair. Here are the tools you'll need to complete this task. From left to right, an air ratchet with a 7/16 inch deep well socket. A standard ratchet wrench will work just fine. Next, dielectric grease, and then two 1/2 inch combination wrenches. Let's get started. First, turn off the power on the joystick. Then tilt the chair all the way back for ease of access. Next, release the pins on the leg straps and the adjustable footrest, keeping track of those pins. Proceed by disconnecting the Curtis Snap power connector located under the center of the seat by depressing the lock tab. Next, disconnect the two battery connections. Both have red and black cables running into them. Older models may have traditional battery post connections. Release these. There are hold-down straps on both batteries that have to be removed to free the batteries. Use the 7/16 inch socket again to complete this, being careful not to lose the black rubber tips on the end of each J-bolt. With the straps removed, lift off the battery cover. Now lift your battery out. This can be made easier by getting your fingers under the battery on the sides and work the battery forward. Place the batteries on a solid surface and then remove the cables from the battery post using the 1/2 inch wrench. Keep track of your factory nuts, bolts, and washers, as they're a superior fit to those that come standard on a new battery. We'll finish up by getting those cables back on the new batteries, making sure the red cable is connected to the red or plus identified post and black to black. Next, lift your new batteries into place, making sure the posts are to the center as shown. Then reconnect both Anderson snap connectors to the batteries and put the cover back on. Now replace the battery straps, making sure the J-bolts are firmly planted into the mounting ports. Be careful to evenly draw the straps down and not over-tighten and risk cracking the sealed lid, but yet tight enough to prevent any battery movement. Next, add dielectric grease on the metal Anderson connection points as shown here. Before we go any further, let's power up the joystick to make sure your installation has been successful. Now we'll reattach the footrests and the leg restraint straps. Once this is completed, make sure you plug your charger back into a wall outlet to top off your newly changed batteries.